Welcome once again to Project Automation and Control using Power BI. Remember to like and subscribe our page to enable you receive notification anytime we upload new video. Today we are going to proceed with module 6. In module 6 we are going to display the project start date, project finish date, current date, and we are also going to proceed with displaying the plan man hour and the actual man hour. Remember, the actual man hour will be 0 because the project haven't been progressed yet. Enjoy automation. Let's get started. Okay, this is where we stop in our last session. So I will delete all this just to make our screen clean again. Okay, we have actually started the main project now. This is when we just started. Okay, so just keep tuned and follow suit. Okay, first of all, the date which I've shown you before, so I will do that with card again. So I will open a card. So I want my start date and finish date to be here. I want it to be here. Sorry, I will just take a little bit time and get it done. Okay, so I will go to my date. I will go to my date folder. So I will pick my baseline start. I will drop it here. Okay, you can see my baseline start now. Okay, I'll just do a little formatting by reducing the font. Let me make it 20. Let me make it 20. Yep. Okay, I will also do something. I will remove this label. Okay, I will remove the label. I will make it bold. Yep. I will also, okay, I will change the font color to white. I will click on general. I will activate the title. Okay, under title I will put my plan start date. I will put my project start date. Okay, I'll put my project start date. Under the title I will also, okay, I will make it red. Okay, I will make it red. Okay, I will center it. I will bold it. Okay, I will put a divider. So the divider, I will make the divider white. Okay, you may not see it now, but nothing to bother about. Okay, the divider is there. Okay, so I will close this. I will go to my effect. I will look at my border. I will activate border. I want a border around it. I will increase the border to 3. I will change the border color to, let me use yellow. Can I get yellow here? Okay. Okay, don't worry, if it's not good, we can change it over time. Okay. Then background, I will off the background. So I will change this font color. I will go back to my value. I will change this font color to white. Okay. Okay, so this is exactly what I want. Okay, I will shift this. I will adjust it a little bit here. Okay. Okay. So let me just shrink it a little bit. Okay, so it will come down. Alright, so I will duplicate this, Ctrl C, Ctrl V. I will paste it here. I will go for my project start. I will go for my project finish date. I'll go back to my date. So I will pick my baseline finish. I will replace what I have here as the start. So the funniest thing is that it's going to give me the same. Okay, it's giving me the same. So what I need to do here now is I need to change it. I will go back to the format. I will go to general. I change the title. The title was once project start. I will make it project finish. I will make it project finish. Okay. Yep. So now under the project finish date, all I need to do, watch the date is still the same. Okay. So for me to correct it, I will go back to my visuals. I will click on this arrow here. I will select latest is in earliest, so I'll put latest. Latest will give me the finish date. Okay, you can see it is now showing me 25th November 2024. So I will go back to my PC. I will open my PC to confirm my date. So you see my project start date and my project finish date. So something is not right here. I think the project finish date is 20, giving me 28, giving me 25th. Okay, let me check where the mistake is coming from. So let me check. Okay, sorry, this is the base start. There's a mistake here. Okay, this is the base start. So let me change it to base finish. Okay, I'll put base finish here. I will change it to the latest. So it's not giving me 28. Okay, why this one? Okay, I interchange it. Let me remove it and put project base start. Okay, let me remove it and put base start. Okay, they are not correct. All right. So the next thing we need to do is to display the project manual. So I will also use card for that. I will use card for that, and I will display the manual here. I will display the manual here. So I will go onto my unit. I'll put my total unit here, and this is the manual. So I can now choose my formatting method. Okay, reduce it. Let me reduce it a little bit. Okay, yeah, that's cool. So I can also proceed as usual. I can change, remove this, give it a title, give it a text title, and I'll call it plan 1 hour. Plan 1 hour. Okay, so I will center this. I will reduce this gap so that I can have space for other things. Okay. So I can just give it a header, or I can give it a header. Okay, let me leave the subtitle. Let me put a divider. Let me change this divider. Let me put the divider color to, let's say, red. Let's increase the, okay. What else? Let me also put, let me put under effect. Okay, let me put border. Under the border, let me increase it to 3. Do I need shadow? Okay. Alright. I think it's okay. The border color, let's use a red color as well. The border color, I don't want black. Let's use a red color as well. Okay. So this is it. So I can also use this for my project. I will use this same thing for my project actual manual. So I will go back and I say my actual manual, I'll put it here. So it's 0, as I said, nothing will be displayed. I can also use it again for my, so this is the actual manual. Let's go back to our, okay, we'll put, okay, for the current date, okay. So we can use it for the current date, okay. Yeah, I think it's running the current date. So let's proceed. So for the current date, let's do something different. I will delete this. Okay, let me use this one. I will click, okay. So I will use a measure for the current date, okay. So for the current date, I will write a measure. I will click on new measure. Okay, first of all, before I proceed with the measure, I need to redirect that measure so that the measure will not just stay anywhere it wants, because I already